slipped. Alright, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm down here towards Rocky Pool in Kalamunda. One main track goes this way, the other that way. Holy damn! I only just noticed the view. That this rock here is actually fell from there. Like, I don't know what's caused that, but like, seeing that's just awesome. But if this was your office every day, the trail keeps going. Alright, coming back to get my camera. Alright, yo. I don't think this trail really goes anywhere besides up, so I'm gonna head down, back to the main track, and head to Rocky Pool. I'm back at the main track. Got just under about 2 k's this direction to walk before I'm at Rocky Pool. Let's see what there is to see. Found this little seat here. Yoo! Oh, it echoes. Yoo! I love a solid echo. Hello! Whoop, whoop! Sorry, I had to. Oh, I love this walk already. It's so good. How's it going? Going good? Literally, I cannot express this enough. Dry. But this was a river.